Hello guys, welcome back to Byte Geek. In this video, I'm going to fix the error insufficient system resources exist to complete the requested service. This error usually shows up when the system is low on memory, running out of disk space, or unable to handle certain tasks properly. And because of that, Windows can't complete the action you're trying to perform. Don't worry, I'll walk you through a few simple steps that I personally use to fix this issue. So first, what you need to do is restart your system. A simple restart can clear up memory, fix temporary glitches, and resolve resource conflicts. A lot of the time, this alone solves the problem. If the issue is still not solved after restarting, then next go to Windows Search and type regedit and open the Registry editor. Once the Registry editor opens, go ahead and expand H-key local machine, then open System, after that current control set, and then click on Control. Now scroll down, find Session Manager, expand it, and click on the Memory Management folder. On the right hand side, you'll see a list of different entries. Here, look for Paged Pool Size File. If you find it, just double click on it. A small window will open, and in the Value Data field, type 8 times F, then click OK to apply the changes. If you don't see the page pool size entry, then you'll need to create it. Right-click on an empty white space, go to New, and select dword 32-bit value, and name it Pool Usage Maximum. After that, double-click on it, set the base to decimal, and in the Value Data field, type 60, then click OK. Just make sure you only create this if the page pool size entry is not already there. Once you've made these changes in the memory management, close the Registry editor and then restart your system to apply the changes we've made. After the restart, go ahead and check if the issue is fixed. In most cases, the Registry editor method solves around 90% of this problem, but if it's still not working, then let's move to the next step. Open Settings, go to the System tab, then click on Storage and open Storage Sense. If Automatic User Content Cleanup is turned off, go ahead and turn it on. This feature helps clean up unnecessary files, empty the recycle bin, and remove old files from the Downloads folder based on the time you choose. After that, click on Run Storage Sense Now to start the cleanup immediately. This will free up disk space and can help resolve the issue. Once the cleanup is done, the next step is to temporarily turn off your antivirus. If you're using a third-party antivirus like Avast or McAfee, disable it for a while. If you're using Windows Defender, go to Windows Search, type Windows Security, and open it. Then go to Virus and Threat Protection, then click on Manage Settings, and turn off real-time protection. After doing all this, check if the issue is resolved. I'm hoping one of these methods fixes the insufficient system resources error for you. If it does, let me know in the comment which method worked. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.